Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use 12 megapixel mode for better low light photos on your CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the camera app, and as you guys can see, now it says quality at 50 megapixels. So what we want to do is basically go to the arrow here, and I need to hold the phone so you guys can see it. Here we need to click on the quality. Now it's at 12 megapixels, and now when we are in the low light, it looks very good. So now let me take a picture and show it to you guys, just like that. As you guys can see, the quality is amazing, and this is how it looks like. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.